Hi guys, welcome to Vlogger Fogo. My name is Jens, and I just have to give you a little update what's happening in my life here. It's like I'm overwhelmed, you know. If you believe it not or not, I am right now here in Gambia in Africa. It's a little country in Africa surrounded by Senegal, and the sound you're listening to right now is the Atlantic Ocean. And it's the middle of the night. I just had two great concerts here in Gambia with the singer I'm working with Nadia Filsa. My name is Jens Lima dos Santos. We, Najester, were invited to go to Africa and play some music. And we did it together with local musicians, with the singer who's working here in the hotel. Her name is Taboo. Beautiful voice. She sang the song Aisha. Aisha. And there's a great kora player. I didn't know what a kora is. His name is Sulay, and it's a very beautiful traditional African instrument. And his brother is playing djembe, Musa, and it was just great. I'm overwhelmed. It's a pity, but all the recordings I did myself are not well. The microphone, I put the microphone too close to the PA, and it's all distorted. But yeah, if you believe it or not, I'm here in Africa and looking onto the Atlantic Ocean, and I think it's a 3-hour flight, and then I'm in Brazil. You know, it's freaking hot here. And it's just paradise. It's paradise. This garden. Tomorrow I'm going to film this garden and show you where I am here in Africa. It's my suite is where I'm staying. It has its own terrace. I have a living room, a sleeping room with a mosquito net, a big bed with a mosquito net, because they say that malaria is around. I also already got some mosquito bites. And yeah, pure happiness. I'm happy. I just let the camera roll a little bit, that you can listen to the great sound of the waves. And I don't think that you can see a lot. I think there was bird shitting right now here from the big cocos tree here, the palm trees. And I saw some reptiles and some strange insects crawling and flying around. A lot of bats, little batmans flying around here in the middle of the night. And a lot of animals singing here, giving me a concert together with the waves. Just enjoy it. I shut up for a moment and let you enjoy. There's the moon. Cannot breathe, you cannot see anything at night with this camera. So there's also a little deck that they built at the beach here. I will film it in the video. Listen to the waves. Isn't that great? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Flora Forward. Gonna film more of this paradise here. A lot to tell to you guys. This is so great. Listen to the sounds. Good night, everyone.